do you ever notice that certain words are harder to sing than others? Well, that's because some vowels are harder to sing, especially as we sing higher. So in this video, I will explain what vowel modification is and how you could do it so well that it won't matter what vowels you sing, they will all feel and sound great. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made. And so my goal is to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get results so that you could sing with more confidence, freedom, ease, power, and range. So to help you with this, I also have a free singing goodie that is going to help you with what I'm going to show you in this video. So you're going to want to make sure that you stay tuned to learn more about that. All right, so what is vowel modification? Well, when you modify something, you're making some changes to it, right? So when we do this to our vowels in singing, we make some changes to how we approach them. So they'll be easier to sing, especially as I mentioned, as we sing higher, but we still want it to sound good, right? So I'm really excited to show you these tips because I work with a lot of singers on vowels. I do this for my own singing and it is so helpful because those words can really give us trouble sometimes. So I'm going to show you an easy 3-step approach to modifying vowels in trouble spots, okay? So number 1 is to take the vowel out and use a tool that's going to help you through the part of this song, okay? I personally find that the vowel O is, with a medium to a hard consonant, works best for most singers to start there, okay? Bo, 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 bo. But I'm gonna put this together. So it's all gonna make sense when I show how we're gonna put these tools in order. All right, number 2 is to talk the words very relaxed and in a neutral position, almost with a slight in them, okay? So I'm gonna show you the vowels. We've got A, so instead of A, we're gonna do A. E, A, O, U, I, and then we have as in apple, and then we've got, in English, you know, we have the diphthongs, we've got the OW, so we're gonna go down, ow, down, oh, okay? So what we want to do after we use the tool, as we're going through that part, we're using that tool, the O, to open up the jaw and to go through. Then we're going to talk the words like I showed you with that really relaxed vowel placement with that in there, okay? So I'm going to take just a line of the chorus of Adele's Go Easy on Me. Great song, great singer. So you've got a few wider vowels. So you've got go, which isn't wide, and which is good because you can get a good breath, open the jaw, go. But we're still going to get it nice and relaxed. Go easy. So I'm putting a slight in there, putting my fingers here so you can feel the placement between the opening of your teeth. Go easy on me. Those E vowels can raise the larynx if we don't sing them correctly. Same thing with those A's, and all the ones I showed you, just put that in there. Go easy on me. Okay? So that's how you talk it. Number 3 is you narrow the highest notes. Okay? So the most narrow vowel we can sing is oo, because the narrowing of our mouth is not real open. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you get a song and it's got some ooh, you're lucky because those are the easiest ones to do. But, you know, not so easy when we've got an A vowel and it's at the same pitch. So what we're going to use is that to narrow, we can just think of it as like a slight pout in your lips. Okay? So just kind of like this. All right? So just relaxing. Okay, nice and relaxed. Okay, so now let's put this all together. So I'm going to take the Adele, the Go Easy on Me. I'm going to use the tool. We're going to talk, like I said, the words, and then we're going to go to how you're going to narrow in the slight pout. Okay? All right, so let's do that. Go, 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 go. Okay. So I used 2 different tools. I used go and G really relaxed. I went back to the go because I want to make sure that you can come back to a little more chest voice. Okay, so that's using the tool. Next, talk it like I showed you before. Go easy on me, baby. Okay? So now we're going to sing that. Open the jaw. We're using the narrowing and the relaxed talking. That's going to help. Okay? So, go easy on me, baby. Okay, so that's how you relax your vowels. We did go easy on me, baby. All right, so now you try that. Use these vowel modification tips, and you're gonna find that those words are not gonna trip you up anymore. It's not gonna matter because you're just gonna be able to navigate them so well. You totally got this. And as I promised before, I have a free vocal goodie for you, and it's my high note tip sheet because it has some vocal narrowing tools and tips for you that are going to help you nail those high notes and relax those vowels. So click the link in the description to get that, and please make sure to like and subscribe to this video, as I'm really passionate to help as many singers like you as I can. Let me know in the comments how this video helps you as well with your vowels and to sing them with freedom and ease. You totally got this. I'll see you next time. Happy singing.